This is the brief on metal furniture design statements. So you've probably noticed, metal furniture is everywhere right now. But why? Well, it's because it's moved way past just being functional. It's become this ultimate statement piece in the design world, you know? It really signals strength, modern elegance, and a commitment to timeless style. First, let's talk about the aesthetics, the look and feel. Modern metal design is all about clean lines, geometric forms, and just functional elegance. You'll see a huge range of pieces, from understated, minimal designs to some really bold sculptural accents. We're talking everything from sleek chairs and tables to lighting and even striking shelving systems. Second, it's just so incredibly versatile. Metal furniture fits pretty much effortlessly into any interior. Think contemporary apartments, industrial lofts. You can even use it in classic spaces to add some essential contrast and character. And when you pair it with materials like wood, glass, or fabric, it creates this really balanced and sophisticated atmosphere. And finally, let's think about the long game here. Metal furniture offers amazing durability and longevity, making it a true investment. These pieces are really designed to hold up, to maintain their look and structure for years to come. So you're choosing something that can easily adapt as your style changes over time. When you boil it all down, metal furniture is a durable, versatile, and elegant solution to elevate any contemporary interior design.
Metal furniture is no longer just a functional choice. It has become a powerful design statement in modern interiors. Today, metal furniture represents strength, elegance, and timeless style, blending perfectly with both minimalist and luxury spaces. In this video, we present a carefully curated collection of more than 100 metal furniture pieces that truly deserve a place in your home. From